Guys, pagkatapos mag-wiring ng sense wire at ng active balancer wire, bago i-saksak or i-plug to the terminal, the active balancer and the sensing wire terminal, check muna, double check kung tama ba yung wiring, for double check purpose only, for safety. Okay, minsan magkamali tayo, so double check. Start sa black wire. This is one. The black wire is 0 volts, and then the next, kapag reading is easy, kapag ang reading is tama, like that, 3.2 volts, then the next voltage must be 6, and then the next voltage must be 9. That's it, 9. And the next must be 12, and the next must be 15 or 16. Yeah, 16. And the next is 19. The next string is 22, second to the last, and the last string is 26. So tama yung pag-wiring ng tama ang pag-wiring ng wire sa active balancer at sa BMS. So pwede na isaksak, no? Tapos yung active balancer mag-iilaw, merong kulay green, masyado makita, yun, mag-iilaw. Dalawa yan dito, isa na tabunan ng tape, yun. So okay, tapos check din ang sensing wire kung tama ba. Dito, check nyo dito. After the active balancer, yung sensing wire, double checking lang. Okay, so simula pa rin sa black wire. This is it, which is the negative or 0 volts. The same result. Second string 6 volts, second string 3.2 volts, third string from negative wire 6 volts, fourth 9 volts, 13, 16, 19, 82, last string 26. So tama yung wiring, so hindi na isaksak. Safe na ang beam 8. Ngayon, pag nasaksak na tong sensing wire from BMS, check mo rin ang voltage ng battery. Voltage out from the BMS. Kung parehas 26, so okay siya, walang problema. Kung if below 26, let's say 25 or 24, something wrong with the BMS. So guys, see you to my next video, and thank you for watching.